Huh?
No! That food's old!
Old?
Are you okay in there, Max?
No!
Ooh, what you need is some blackberry tea.
Blackberry tea? How is that gonna help?
The astringent qualities in blackberries are known to treat stomach problems like diarrhea. Just 1 cup and you'll be feeling better in no time.
Now I can eat more.
Oh, I didn't say that.
Let's see who's been studying. Becca! Huh? What's the closest planet to Earth?
I forgot.
You forgot? How could you?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Feeling forgetful?
I think so.
What you need is some rosemary. A single sniff of rosemary can help boost memory speed, cognition, and recall, keeping you ready for life's hardest question.
Becca?
Yes?
What's the closest planet to Earth?
Mercury.
Correct!
Thanks, Rosemary.
Who are you talking to?
No one.
Gotta hide my lunch. No one's stealing my food this time.
Let's see what's for lunch. Ooh, that looks interesting. Ooh, Lily's cooking's the best.
Time to eat my food.
Oh, my food!
How do I stop my food from getting stolen?
That's easy!
You just have to get crafty. Simply put your food in the Ziploc bag and color the outside with green spots.
The food will look moldy and nasty to everyone, including any potential food burglars.
Ew! If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'm not eating moldy food.
Just remember, don't overdo it.
Or else your food will end up in the trash.
Oh, that's good to know. Hey! Come back here, food thief!
It's hammer time. Oh man, I bent it! Oh, I bent another one. They keep bending. How am I supposed to fix this?
My mom's senses went off. Are you okay?
I'm trying to hang up the pictures, but the nails keep bending.
Ooh, I know how to fix this. With this bobby pin, you use the bobby pin to hold the nail. It helps keep the nail in place while you hammer. So now you go from this to this.
Oh, that's so easy. Can I try?
Yeah.
Time to pump some iron.
Oh, my arm!
Becca, what's wrong?
Oh, my arm is cramping up.
Oh, I know what to do. Wait right here. Where is it? Just gotta get some juice. Hey, do you guys like pickle juice? Let us know in the comments down below. Here, Becca.
What's this?
Don't worry, it'll help.
Okay. Oh, it's so sour! Hey, my arm doesn't hurt anymore.
That's the pickle juice in action.
Pickle juice? How does that work?
The sourness of the pickle juice tricks the brain to forgetting about the arm pain. And you're back to exercising in no time.
Awesome! I feel so swole, bro!
Hey, Becca, could I
borrow your computer?
Yeah, sure. Oh, your breath stinks, Max! What did you eat?
Nothing yet. I just brushed my teeth.
Bad breath got you down?
Mom.
Where did you come from?
All you need is coconut oil.
Coconut oil? How is that gonna help?
If you microwave coconut oil and gargle it before brushing your teeth, the oil cleans your mouth by getting rid of pesky bacteria that causes bad breath, leaving your mouth fresh.
Oh, let me try.
Don't forget to spit it out.
How's my breath now?
It smells tropical. That's the power of coconut oil, the natural mouthwash.
Haha. What's that smell?
I don't know.
Tuna? Who eats tuna? Ugh.
I don't know, but we gotta make the room smell better.
Oh, I'll get the Febreze. Oh. Oh no, it's empty.
Oh, Febreze, what are we gonna do now?
We just gotta find something that smells good.
Could you tell us what smells good? Comment down below, it could really help.
Hey guys, what's wrong?
The room smells so bad.
That smell. I know what could help. Dryer sheets.
Dryer sheets?
What's that gonna do?
If you stick the sheets to an electric fan, the fresh scent will fill the entire room.
Wow.
That smells so good. Let's have a snack to celebrate.
Oh. Wait, that was your tuna?
Yeah? Give me that. Okay, 2 cups of milk. Let me try this. By the way, leave a comment down below what you guys like to cook. There's gotta be a better way.
Hey Mom, I got your pants from the dry cleaners. Do you want them?
Yeah, I have them over. Oh, I have an idea. I don't need these. Thanks for making my laundry.
You're welcome.
I'll just use the hanger to hang the book up. Now I can cook and read at the same time. You guys want to play a drawing game?
Yeah! I'll get a marker. Yes! I got a marker.
All right, you go first.
All right, guess what it is?
A pizza?
That's right. Huh? Oh, I want it erased. What kind of marker is this? Oh no!
Accidentally used permanent marker?
Oh yeah, what do I do?
Simply draw over the permanent marker. The dry erase marker dissolves the permanent marker, making it easy to erase. All clean!
Oh, great. Now it's your turn, Mom. Mom, can I finish watching the game first? No!
Listen up, Max. You're not watching anything until you trim that tree.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Oh man, this is gonna take forever. Ah, spider!
Max, I brought you. Are you okay?
I got a bruise.
Don't worry, I know what to do. But first, comment down below if you like oranges. Did you do it? Awesome! Thank you. Now let's help Max. To treat a bruise, all you need is an orange slice. The vitamin C in the orange has anti-inflammatory properties that promote wound healing. Here, Max, eat a slice.
Thanks, Mom.
Eating oranges helps too. Repeat for 1 week and your bruise will be gone. How's your arm, Max?
Oh, my bruise is all better. Thanks, Mom.
No problem. Here, have more.
Ooh, thank you. Oh, I forgot my drink.
It smells so good! Do you guys want me to sneak Max's food? Hit the subscribe button! Did you guys do it? Thanks! Let's do this! It's burning my mouth! It's so hot!
Got you.
Lily! For stealing food, I'm taking away your games for 6 months!
No! Whoa, it's so hot! I know what to do! Rip the lid completely off the cup. Fold the lid into a cone. Take some noodles and put them inside. Now the noodles can cool down in here. Oh no, here comes Max!
Wait, Lily, don't do that!
I'm just skating in the backyard.
Lily, there's not enough room back here.
I'll be fine. Let's do this. Woo! Ow! Mom, I fell and scraped my arm.
Lily, I told you! But don't worry, I know what to do. To help a scrape, all you need is some clove oil. First, put the oil onto a clean gauze pad. Gently apply it to the wound. Clove oil is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Apply the oil for 3 days and your scrape will be gone. How do you feel now, Lily?
My arm's all better. Thanks, Mom.
Of course, sweetie, but from now on, no skateboarding unless it's at the park.
Okay.
Lily!
What is it, Mom?
I'm so tired. I need you to help me mop.
Okay, Mom.
Thanks, Lily.
Oh, I need to finish quick before my show ends.
use this to fill up the bucket instead.
A pool noodle?
Yeah, let me show you. First, put the bucket on the floor, then one side of the pool noodle. Connect the other end to the faucet. Check this out, Lily. Just turn on the water.
Wow, that's so much better! Thanks, Mom!
No problem.
I'll be done mopping in no time.
Thanks for watching. Bye.